friends, let's talk about the case of no partnership deed. Today I'll explain you this case with the help of an example. Here is an example. Suhana, who is having the parental business, a good business base, and suddenly she came up with a project which is very important to her. So that's why she asked her friend Suhani, who is having good funds to invest into this project. But as they were in hurry, so they entered into the project without deciding anything about how they're gonna distribute their profits or anything regarding their partnership deed. So let's say the project started as Suhana had a good factory unit, raw material. She herself was managing the business, so she was the manager. And Suhani invested into the business rupees 80 lakh, whereas she was withdrawing rupees 20,000 per month. Except to the investment done by Suhani, Suhana also made an investment in the form of the loan of rupees 10 lakh. Now, both of them completed the assignment very wonderfully. After the completion of assignment, they made a profit of rupees 8 lakh. And this profit was after meeting all the expenses of the business. Now, question arises how to distribute this profit among Suhana and Suhani. Suhana is asking for salary, commission as she was managing the business, interest on loan which he gave to the firm, interest on drawings to be charged on Suhani's withdrawals from the business. Whereas Suhani was asking for interest on capital, the investment she made at the rate 20% per annum, and she wants that she should get more profit. That is, Suhana should get 2 but Suhani should get 5 in the profit sharing, right? Now, in this case, as they had no partnership deed, so in this case, where no partnership deed is there, how we gonna solve this question? How this situation is to be solved? Ultimately, they have to go as per the case of Partnership Act, where no partnership deed is decided, that says that no salary or commission or remuneration is to be given if there is no deed, no interest on capital, no interest on drawings, no interest on loan which is given by the firm to the partners, but interest on loan to be charged at the rate of 6% per annum if the loan is given by a partner to the firm. Firm meant over here is the partners together. When the partners are together and they formed a firm, and some one of the partner has lent some money to the firm, in that very case interest to be charged at the rate 6% per annum, and profit sharing ratio has to be equal. So now how to resolve this case? Suhana is asking for salary, it will not be given. Suhana is asking for a commission, it will not be given. Suhana is asking for interest on loan, which she lent the money to the business, to the partnership firm. She would be given interest at the rate 6% per annum on the loan she provided to the firm. But interest on drawings charge would be zero, would be nothing because there is no deed. So Suhani, who is asking for interest on capital at this rate or any other rate, will also not be given any interest on capital, and the profit sharing ratio will not be 2 is to 5, it would be rather equal among themselves, right? When Suhana and Suhani has to distribute this 8 lakh rupees, they can only out of this 8 lakh rupees charge interest on loan for payable to Suhana on his lending to the her lending to the firm and nothing else. And so in this case the solution would be profit and loss account, where there was a net profit of rupees 8 lakh. Out of this, interest on loan will be given rupees 60,000. How? This is calculated as 10 lakh rupees is the loan which Suhana gave to the firm. At that 6% is to be calculated for 1 year, which comes up to be 60,000 rupees. So interest on loan out of 8 lakh rupees, profit is 60. How much profit is left for distribution? That is 7,40,000. This 7,40,000 rupees is carried to the appropriation account. The P&L account is prepared for all the expenses which are a charge, which are payable whether firm makes a profit or not. But appropriation is for the distribution of profits among the partners only. So here the profit distributable among the partner is 7,40,000, which is distributed among them in the ratio equal, that is half and half, 1:1. So 3,75,000 goes to Suhana and 3,70,000 goes to Suhani's capital account. So this is about the no partnership deed case we have solved.